What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
Time to do stuff to the Supra. Woohoo! All right, we'll go in detail what's going on, but let's get it clean first. Haven't gotten off the trailer because there's so many other projects to do here. But before we get it off, before we dirty up the whole place, let's clean it up. Just looking over things. The power steering's leaking. The AC's put together. I don't know if it's powered or if I can, but drift cars don't need AC. That's a little janky, that's cut. Besides that, I don't see anything else. Everything should be here. So I just have to figure out how to plug it in. The hard part is putting it in and then we'll figure out the rest. Am I right? All sprayed down. Now let's bring up the pressure washer.
Look at me, tell me what you see. Is it good or bad to be sad? All over my hand, maybe.
Woo! What? It's power steering.
Take that EC out.
Look at the AC, looks new. Look at that.
Glasses are pretty good, man.
I'm gonna put it in and see if it plugs, but I doubt it. Race cars don't need
Even
that.
if it's on there, you can still just like alter it and it's still there.
Oh, I saw the fans, so not bad. So far, I'm pretty confident. Woo doo doo hoo. Woo.
All right, so the plan is we're gonna pull the Supra in. Only thing is, I need to move the Cressetta out. I know the seat's right there. Still working on stuff around on the Cressetta. We're gonna clear all this up. Everything around here, all this mess from the 240. Finally gonna clean it up, it's been months. So get that all situated. And then we have a spot where we can lay all the parts at, because right now, everything is inside of that Supra, in the trunk. So yeah, a little treasure hunting tonight, everybody. But yep, thank you for tuning in. Woohoo! Woo! It's all clean, look at that, beautiful. Looking good. Cressetta's out of the way. It's over by the lift. Finish it soon. Ready to bring it in?
Yeah.
Let's see the key, baby. Let's see that Supra key.
Looks like a Toyota.
Is that a Camry?
Yeah. Oh, it's barely faint there.
Oh yeah, a little bit. Woo. Let's do it, baby.
Stay right.
There it is, baby. Got it in the garage. Yep. Now we're gonna go through the old spaghetti. The bowl of spaghetti over here.
All right, you guys are seeing it as we see it. We don't know what we have to do, but we knew. Oh,
There you go. I got it.
first thing.
I'll hold it. Oh yeah, that's a drive shaft.
That's better.
No.
Ooh.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
I'll hold it, man. It's all good. There's a stick somewhere. I don't know.
There, right here. I just
Oh,
didn't
yeah.
want the rubber piece.
Oh yeah.
You know how expensive rubber pieces on Supras?
Super expensive.
Anyway, first thing.
I like that one, huh?
This is gonna be a super expensive bill.
Oh, here's the drive shaft right there.
Oh, there
Found
you
it?
go.
All right, drive
All
shaft.
right, let's do this. Oh, let's do.
We'll pull the blanket off.
No. I wanna
Okay.
do this. Intake. You guys are discovering it as we discover. Oh, sorry.
All right, say it again. Go back. No, go back, you bobblehead.
No, that's full time.
Okay, go, yeah, go. No, you got it
No,
right.
intake.
Real time. I'm gonna zoom on your face when you say it. What is it?
A header.
No, it's not. It's exhaust manifold.
I know.
Oh, it has a hole in it. I got hose.
I got hose.
I got hoses. Ooh, can't get that one.
Is it going? It's all stuck now? That's okay, we're not gonna run these. This isn't as
What? These
I
are
don't know about the red. I don't know. Well,
I like red hoses.
I'm just not a fan of the red color red.
Oh, they're bee hoses, dude.
Oh, B hoses.
They always be hoses.
I show my present.
You got a present?
I found the starter.
Woo!
So you can start.
Shipwreck starting things.
I put this in earlier.
Oh yeah.
Oh, check out next content.
with the free-
RC in our backyard.
A random chest.
Oh, looks like you got your brackets, your transmission mount brackets right here, and the flywheel.
A flywheel.
Yeah.
Trans.
You got
There it
some
is, it
mounts.
has to be.
Yeah, you got mounts.
This is the chinga, you know,
The thing goes with the
chinga
Dara,
to the lever.
Alternator tension.
and you got your little plate
That's
for the transmission.
Crossbow.
Yeah, you
Oh, we'll
got
figure it out.
some stuff to
Let
do
me
down
get
here.
all
We'll
the
show that
puzzle
later.
pieces. I don't like to figure it out until I get all.
Just keep laying it up, bro. Let's keep going. Battery's gonna die.
It was pretty fly for a fly.
Just
pretty fly for a flywheel.
pretty fly for Chingadera.
Chinga, chinga.
Chingadera.
Look.
Oh, I just need some
Back in
super
play.
glue.
Oh yeah.
Money.
There we go. Dig out. Keep going, baby.
Bring it to my house.
Bring it to the house.
Just go like this.
There's a lot of parts coming out. I know. Huh?
I'm so curious what this holds. If
Everything's here. This is
the trunk
cool.
latch,
I don't know, man. What? Engine mounts?
Some mounts.
Got it, baby. Some pieces. Get all the parts together.
Shit. Oh, I don't know what the fuck that is.
Yeah, this is all your stuff. Distributor, bunch of stuff, more stuff. All right, well, we're gonna get the engine hoist out and bring it back here in a second, and we'll go back to you guys. Woohoo!
I thought I had so much work to do. But discovering, go from the end. I thought I had to rewire everything. This is the original. Only reason I know, look at the mass airflow
That's
sensor
what was going on, huh?
fucked up.
Moving too much.
He bought a whole new harness just for that.
He bought a whole new harness.
Could just
Look,
brand new.
so I can reuse all these plugs if everything's ripped out.
Just put the good ones on, make yourself a brand new
Yeah.
harness, pretty much.
It's ready. This is the car. This
Just look at a diagram, mark them, and then you're good, man.
This is the veins.
And it should all line up to like the motor.
Oh, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you.
It's all
You have an
good,
extra
huh?
harness like me too.
Yeah, look
all
at
good.
everything back goes back,
If you ever break
and
the
then
foot,
everything's broken. This is.
take them.
Thank you, Joel.
Met a fish a long time ago. His name was Steve and he had a fro and he eats turkey and ham and all byproducts of spam. And his water is really, really cold. He just swims in his little old bowl and he's orange and yellow too. Oh how I love you.
Louis. All right, hold on. I can go further. I can go further. I can go further. There we go. It's out. It's out. It's out. Sorry. Hold that. Yeah.
Oh, this thing fucking came out of my fucking mouth.
Hold on. Ready? Sorry.
They fucking slapped you?
No, that's it.
It's so hard.
The pole did, huh?
Yeah.
Where's this go?
So they don't like you.
Oh my god.
What is this for?
Had a fish named Steve. Had a fish named Steve. You're the best pet in the world. You're even better than my dog named Earl. Oh, how he...
Oh man, that was
Yeah,
a hassle. So the reason why we did what we did, if you guys are curious, the engine was sideways in the car. We needed to pull it out. We adjusted it, and now we're going to properly connect it and hopefully put it on the hoist or just leave it here overnight. We'll figure it out.
We'll put it on the hoist. I don't want
Yeah.
it to be on there, but just on the hoist so we can drop it in tomorrow.
That's fine, yeah. But we need the transmission out.
I'll just try and manhandle it.
Oh,
I'm a man. I can handle things.
I like handles, I'm a man.
I'll let you know.
No training.
Now he is. You're hurting tomorrow, and this is why, man.
Who needs that heavy?
Who's Wyman?
It's not even that heavy, dude.
Joey Wyman.
You're pulling transmission.
It's not even that bad.
Rear hack.
I thought it was gonna be way heavier. Look.
You got it?
Do like this.
Manhandle.
Dang.
boring. Oh, don't fuck up.
Yeah, don't mess the sensors up.
Sensor.
Got it. Boop, 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 boop.
Manhandled.
Got it, baby.
Now I need to spray it off.
Clean it up.
All right, you just gotta clean it up and bolt it on. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe.
Woohoo!
That's so cool. Look here in the background. Everything's good, really good. Oh, we're doing so good.